How to upload file or folder to Mega Cloud. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have latest version of the Mega Cloud application. So here, as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the application. So just tap on open and it will land you to the page of Mega Cloud over here. So make sure that you are logged into your account over here. In order to upload a file or folder to Mega Cloud, you need to log into your account as well. Now make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection as well over here. Now over here, you can see the different options. So on the very first page, you can see the option of plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on plus icon, tap on upload, tap on upload files if you want to upload files, or if you want to upload the whole folder, you can just tap on upload folder. So I'm going to tap on upload files, and you can just select any of the file over here. I'm going to select this one, and then you just have to give the access or the permission over here, and then go back, and the upload has started over here. So just wait for a while and your file or folder will be uploaded to your Mega Cloud. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.